Hello.
Hello, Emmanuel.
Yes.
Emmanuel, this is Tyson. I was giving you a call because it looks like you filled out some information on my website about selling this property in Alliance.
Yes.
Have I caught you at a bad time?
No, I'm fine.
Excellent. Well, look, listen, Emmanuel, is what I'd like to do is take a few minutes to ask you some additional questions about the property, and after that, one of two things will happen. Number one, it fits my company's buy box and we'll have a cash offer for you. Or number two, it doesn't fit our company's buying criteria for whatever reason. I'll let you know why and you'll never hear from me again. Does that sound good?
All righty.
All right, Emmanuel. Well, hey, listen, while I'm getting your property pulled up over here on my end, could you catch me up to speed? What's got you thinking about selling this place?
Well, I'm actually looking for a new place. I want to be in a more country setting, and I'm in the city right now, so I just want to move in a more country setting.
I'm sorry, Emmanuel, I think I'm having a little bit trouble hearing you. You said that you're looking to get out of the city and into a more country setting?
Yes.
Okay, so you're currently living in this property?
Yes.
Okay, so let me ask you, Emmanuel, assuming we made you an offer that made sense, how soon would you be wanting to move out of this house and on your way to the countryside?
I can be out in weeks if need be.
Okay, so this is something that you're looking to do kind of sooner rather than later?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, perfect. Okay, well, listen, Emmanuel, I got the property pulled up now. I'm looking at some tax records. It's saying here it's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. Is that correct?
Yes.
And then it's showing that it's just over 1,300 square feet. Does that sound right?
Yes.
Amazing. And then it looks like the property was built before the 1900s. Do you know when the roof was last replaced?
I just had the roof replaced a year and a half ago.
All right, brand spanking new.
Yep.
Excellent. I'm looking at a picture of on Google Street View of the property. It looks like I can see some kids sitting in the front. That looks great. But that, and I see a sweet what is this? Is this a Hellcat? Yeah, there's a Hemi.
Yeah.
Is that your car?
Yeah.
Right on, man. I love it. I drive a Vet.
Oh yeah.
Good deal.
I'm working my way up there. I ain't made it that far yet, but I'm trying.
All right. Well, listen, I can see from this picture, it looks like there's a window unit. Is the property heated or cooled via window units, or is there a central system?
I have window units. Yeah, I don't have central. Well, I just had a furnace put in.
Okay.
And it's compatible. I just didn't have them do it because I didn't know how long I was gonna be there. That was an extra $10,000.
Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. Look. Then let me see. It looks like for parking, it's really just street parking, and then there's this let's see. This looks like there's sort of. Is this your driveway that I can see to the right, or is that an entrance to another property?
Right on the right, that's the alley actually.
Okay. And then, do you know if the property sits on city sewer or is there a septic tank?
City.
Gotcha. And then looks like the property's 2 stories.
Yeah, I actually own that big lot next to me and my house, so it comes together as one.
Okay, excellent. Is there a basement?
Yes.
And is that basement finished?
It's not finished. Well, what do you mean by finished?
Had the walls been drywalled, painted, flooring done?
Well, I painted the walls, but as far as the professional finish, no.
Okay. All right, Emmanuel, let me ask you a question, man. On a scale of 1 to 10, with a 1 being we should probably just knock the property down and start over, and a 10 being it was fully remodeled yesterday, what would you rate the property?
7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you...
I actually had a fire. I had a fire a couple years back, and they redid the inside of my house.
When was this?
I want to say September of 21, if I'm mistaken. 21 or 20.
So what exactly was redone after that fire?
Living room. The fire happened in the kitchen, but they redid the living room, dining room, my floors, upstairs, going up, like up the steps, going up upstairs, that hallway, and bedroom.
How about the kitchen?
The kitchen is fully remodeled.
Okay, so could you kind of describe to me the kitchen, like what the cabinets look like, the countertops, and the appliances?
I have stainless steel appliances in there. I don't know what you call that flooring. Is it? I guess the tile wood flooring, whatever that's called. I have a granite countertop. I mean, marble, whatever kind thing. They put a wood countertop in there.
Okay.
New kitchen cupboard, like they have, the real light wood looking one.
Yep.
Those new ceilings, new ceiling fans, new lights, new.
Okay.
They made it look pretty good.
Sounds like it. So, what do you think would need to happen to the property to make it a 10?
Actually, to make the house a 10-10, the bathroom, and it could use windows. I haven't been able to get windows. If it had windows, siding, and the bathroom remodel, it definitely would be at least a 9.5 there.
Okay. So that's just redoing the bathroom, new windows, and redoing the siding?
Yeah.
All right, excellent. Okay. And then, so I believe you said that assuming we made you an offer that made sense, you would need at least a couple of weeks. One thing people love about working with us, Emmanuel, is that we're actually super flexible with our closing timelines. Typically, we look to close in 30 days. Some people love that. Other people want more time. Do you know what kind of timeline would work best for you and your family?
I mean, that 30 days sounds fine.
30 days, perfect. That's what I'll go ahead and put in there. Okay, and then last question, Emmanuel. Based on what you told me about the property, looks like we need to put in some new siding, new windows, and redo the bathrooms. What do you believe is a fair price for the property in its current condition?
In its current condition, I got it for 45 is reasonable.
Okay, 45,000?
Yeah.
Okay. And let me ask you, if we were to pay all of the closing costs, there were no realtor fees, and we bought the property entirely as is, so we wouldn't ask you to make any repairs, you don't need to clean the property out, anything like that. What do you think is the best price we could do?
The best I could take 38.5.
38.5. So if I am able to take this information back to my underwriters and they get me an offer approved for $38,500, what's the next step?
It's yours.
All right. Sounds good. There's nobody else you need to talk to? No wife, girlfriend, pastor, priest? Anybody else like that you would want to run it by first?
Hell no.
All right. All right. Well, listen, is what I'm going to go ahead and do then is let me take this information over to them. Let me go ahead and get you the best offer I possibly can. Is this the best number for me to call you back on?
Yes, sir.
All right. And will you be available in about 10 or 15 minutes? Perfect. All right, Emmanuel, let me go ahead and get this done for you. I'll be giving you a call back shortly. Again, my name is Tyson. We're with We Buy Homes Cash, and I'll be calling you back from this number, okay?
All right.
All right. Thank you, Emmanuel. Talk soon.
Hello.
Hello, Emmanuel.
Yes.
Emmanuel, this is Tyson again with We Buy Homes Cash.
All righty.
Hey, is now still a good time?
Yeah.
All right. Well, listen, I got some great news for you, Emmanuel. The property was approved to be purchased. This is actually the first one they've approved for me all day. So let me go ahead and explain what they've approved for you. The offer is approved to buy the property as is. They've approved the closing to be in 30 days. Absolutely no commissions are taken out, and all of the closing costs are covered by us. The approved offer to buy your property in its current condition was $34,800.
Okay. I'll be taking a loss, but
What's that?
I said I would be taking a loss, but hey, I'm just trying to get out of there so I can move on with my life.
All right, well, let's get it done, man.